Hi children, today we are going to learn 1.4 exercise. Then in this exercise, we have to learn how to change Indian system to international system as well as international to Indian system. Now first, write the number as per Indian and international place value system. He given one number, that is 2784023. Then you have to write this number in Indian system as well as in international system. First, Indian system. Two, 7, 8, 4, 0, 2, 3. First, what are the Indian place values of Indian place value system? Place values ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now here three periods, one's lakh period, thousands period and ones period. Now lakhs period, two digits are there, 27, 27 lakhs, thousands, 84, 84,000, 23. How to write? 27 lakhs, 84,000, 23. What are the place values in Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now lakhs 27. 27 lakhs, 84,000, 23. Now international system. Two, 7, 8, 4, 0, 2, 3. What are the place values in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. Here also three periods. One is millions period, thousands period, second one, third ones period. Now in millions period, how many digits are there? Only one. Then we can say 2 million. Only one digit means 2. 2 million. Next, in thousands place, three digits are there. 784. Then how to read? 784,000. 784,000. Next, ones period. 0, 2, 3 means 23. In international system, what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, millions. In millions, only one digit, that is 2. Then 2 million. Then in thousands place, three digits are there. 784. Then how to read? 784,000. 23. In ones period, 0, 2, 3 means 23. Next, put greater than, lesser than or equal. Now first we have to check how many digits in both the sides. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then both the numbers having same digits 7, 7. Same number of digits 7, 7. Then you have to see first digit 4, 4. Then both are equal. Next go for second digit 3, 7. 3 is lesser than 7. Then 4, 43,67,492 is lesser than 4,734,156. Next, 2,70,110, 217 million. Now here number of digits both are equal. 6, 6. Then first digit 2, 2. Then second digit 7, 1. 7 is greater. Then you have to write 2,70,110 is greater than 217 millions. Thousands, sorry. Next, third bit. Write in numbers and words as per international place value system. First he given in Indian system because lakhs are there. Then this is Indian system. Then you have to write Indian system first number. Then you have to write international system. You have to write same number in international system. Now 22 lakhs means first we have to write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now how many lakhs are there? 22 lakhs. 22 means 2 to 22 lakhs. Next 31,000. 31 how to write? 31. 31,000. 101. 101. Now this is the Indian system. Number name given, you have to write in number. Then same number you have to write in international system. What is that number? 2231101. Now international system. What are the place values in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now how to write? 2 million. How many thousands are there? 231 means 231,000. Next ones period 101, 101. Now in third bit what they given? They given write in number name in Indian system. Then we have to write for that Indian system in number. Means 22,31,101 we have to write in the number. That number again you have to write in international system. How much that is? 2,231,101. That is in international system. Next one, write the following in number and words as per Indian place value system. Now he given in international system, number name given in international system. Then first you have to write that number name as number. How? 23 million means first you have to write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. How many millions are there? 23 means 23. Next 202. Here thousands not there. Then we have to put 3 zeros. 202. 202. Now we written in which system? International system. Same number you have to write in Indian system. 23000,202. Then what are the Indian system? Place values. Indian system. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now, how many crores are there? 2 crores. How many lakhs? 30. 30 means 30. 30 lakhs. In thousands, zeros are there. Then in hundreds, tens, ones, 202 means 202. What is the fourth bit? He given the number name in international system. First we have to write that international system number name to number. then that number you have to write in Indian system. Now what he given? 23,202,000 means 230,00202. That number you have to write in Indian system. Indian system place values what? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. How many crores? 2 crores, 30 lakhs, 202. Now in this exercise we have to we learned how to change Indian to international system, same number, and international system to Indian system.